am so excited to be at the Oktoberfest in Mount Angel because it is happening today, and I'm with Monica, the Director of Marketing. And so, what is the theme this year?
The theme this year is the joy of being together. Again, because last year you were just virtual. So, but this year we're all live and having a great time. Yes, we're so excited to be welcoming people back to town and enjoying having people together with the Gemütlichkeit that brings.
It is, it's so true. And you know, for Garden Time, we love being here because you guys are surrounded by farms, which are dear to our heart, gardening, and the Harvest Monument is something that is so cool because it's made out of the bounty of the harvest.
Right. It's made out of the local produce and the beans and seeds that are raised locally. You can see the hops are going on right now. And yeah, we just want to celebrate the goodness of creation.
It's so cool, and you've been doing these, the monuments have been going on since when?
1966. So the first year there was Oktoberfest was the first year there was a Harvest Monument. So it's been interesting to watch its change, its style, because originally they would just take big old apples and tack them up there, and they would create shapes that way. But now our new artist, Phyllis Schmidt, has refined it quite a bit and taken it down so she can get a lot more detail with the beans and the seeds, and then she accentuates with some of the larger pieces.
It's amazing because if you go into any of the buildings, you can see from past years they're still mounted, so you can kind of do a whole history of all the monuments, of all the treasures of them.
Oh yeah, she's got such a great style, and it changed over the years, and just to be able to see and enjoy the past works so they don't go away after just 1 year. I like that part.
It's so true, and you know, I love it. You got a big crew of people here, and it's all volunteers, right?
Yes, this is the board, and they're helping get things ready to go, and we're going to be looking forward to seeing you guys all Saturday.
I know, and so what's going on, because it's really a family event, everybody can come, and really you can be safe and still have a great time.
Sure, and we've got so much going on outdoors. I think one thing people forget is that about 90% of what we do happens outside. Mm-hmm. So the food booths are all here. Again, more of the bounty of the harvest, and you just get to enjoy all kinds of different foods. There's going to be the kindergartens going, so bring the kids, let them enjoy that. It's all free. We've got a special polka party designed for them on Saturday and Sunday afternoon. Looking forward to that. It's going to be some really fun.
Yeah, and there's other things to do too, because what about going up to St. Mary's to see the church?
Yep, you can check out the stained glass in St. Mary's, which is well worth the trip, as well as we're going to have some concerts in the church like we do every year, and that'll be really nice. We also have the car show that'll be happening on Saturday and Sunday, so if you're into cars, they've got all kinds. There's usually about 75 to 80 cars each day, so it changes. So if you wanted to come back on Sunday, feel free.
Right, really something for everyone. There's crafts, food is the best, beer, oh my gosh, the beer is great, and the music, you can't miss the music because you feel like you're really in Germany celebrating where everything came from.
Yes.
Well, you just need to come down, check Facebook for all the information, go to the website too, we'll have all that information on Garden Time, but really it's going to be a wonderful weekend, you know, kind of dress appropriately, comes rain or shine, we're all Oregonians, so just be ready for anything. Monica, thanks so much, have a great festival.
And thank you, Judy.